Heading out of town, Troutdale, and I'm heading to the trailhead to get back on the AT. You better not be lying to me. That's awesome. 1/3 down, 2/3 to go. Well, good morning. Just left Troutville a little while ago. Stayed at the Motel 6 for the night and took a shower, resupplied for this next journey section from Troutville to either Lynchburg or Glasgow. I hadn't decided which to go into yet. I'm glad to get back on the trail again, and I'm glad that you're able to come along with me. So let's get it down the road. And as my favorite preacher of yesteryear often sang, on the road again, I'm glad to be back on the road again. It has cooled down considerably from the last several days. It's so nice today. It rained last night. I guess it cooled things off. Thank you, sir. Hate to disturb you. I think I'm gonna stop here at this Wilson Creek shelter. Didn't get in as many miles as I wanted to get in, but my body is telling me to stop. And so, you know what they say, you gotta listen to your body. So I'm going down to get some water right now, and then set up my tent and do all my chores, and then I'm gonna go to bed early. I will see you in the morning. Hey, I got a special guest with me today. We spent the night together, not really.
Close enough.
But tell me a little bit about yourself, man.
All right, man. I'm my trail name's Blessed Ankle. I'm hiking with my family, me and my wife, and my daughter and my son, 10 and 12. And yeah, this is our first hike experience ever. We jumped into the deep end with this one. But yeah, we're here. We've done like what, 700 and
Yeah, 700 miles.
over 700.
Yeah,
So.
yeah. Now he's got a YouTube channel. Tell us your YouTube channel.
Okay, yeah, it's Big Walk Jones. Our last name is Jones, and we're taking a big walk. So you can find us on YouTube, Cutting the Rug.
Yeah, be sure and check it out, man. It's awesome, and to travel with his family, unbelievable. You guys stay in one tent?
Yeah, it's a Big Agnes 5-man copper spur.
Oh my goodness.
We definitely win the biggest tent on trail award.
That is the truth, man. Well, man, it's good to meet you, and I'll see you down the trail.
All right, man. Nice meeting you too.
All right. Good morning. Just left camp a little while ago, and man, it was crowded last night at the Wilson Creek shelter. Yesterday coming out of Troutville, I got a late start, and I knew I wasn't going to get in a whole lot of miles, but I think I did get in 11 something miles, almost 12. So I was pretty satisfied with that. Hopefully today, be able to get in some good miles. So let's get it down the road. I've been doing something recently on trail. In the morning, I've started stretching. I guess kind of like yoga or whatever. But man, this old body is just not like what it used to be. this morning when I started off, my left leg wouldn't work. I've stretched it out and everything. And I was just hobbling down the trail. I'm here in Buena Vista. I stopped in at the White Tree Inn. It's hostel, and I'm gonna stay there for the night and then get back on trail tomorrow.